Time to musk up. Wow.
What's going on, everybody? All right. So, as you saw, I'm gonna do a first impression on what's inside here. Yeah, it's not where the address is. All right, let's get into this. They always ship everything in a really big box. And I got, oh God. Oh God, this is what it's all full of. All right. Almost there. I'll put a box in a box. I don't know, maybe you'll be able to tell what that is. Let's see, let's dig in. What is this? Huh. I don't know why they would do this. They just gave me a bag with nothing in it. I mean, alright. So, there it is. As you can tell where it's from. Let's take this little thingamajig off. Let's open it up. This one it's usually smaller than this, but nice big one here. What is in here? What is in here? Ooh. Okay. Crappy old receipt. So, this is kind of cool. Never gotten something like this. Rose Ispahan soap. I didn't get much because, I mean, they don't really know me, so I didn't really expect much, but anything is appreciated. Mitzah Oud Ispahan soap. This is a sample size. I mean, that's a nice size right there. Look at that. Huh? Oh yeah. Wow, that's good. That is good. Throw that in there with and a oud rosewood. Alright. Okay, I already actually have one, so but it's alright. They said much appreciated. Now, the issue with this was that after they, you know, when they switched into Maison from the Privé, and now they switched back to Privé, don't get it, but whatever. They removed this, and it's pretty much become a unicorn, but I got it. Bam. Mitzah. And I would have gotten the 125, but they stopped making it in whatever they removed and made Paris exclusives. They're all 250 now, so they don't make them in 125 anymore. All right, stop the jibber jabber here, and let's open it up. Alright, like unzipping the pants. Bong bong. Okay, here we go. You ever get that feeling of, it's like you just pray that it's not leaking. Sheesh. Freaking beat the bricks out of somebody with this. Alright. So, there she is. EDP, 250 ml. Badge code at the bottom there. CD top. Magnetic cap. You've seen them all. You've seen one. You've seen them all. Man. All my bottles are 125, so it's kind of annoying that this one is 250, but beggars can't be choosers. And this, man, is freaking heavy, man. Look at that. Sheesh. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Let's find out what is good. So I have 31 root cambone here, actually. And I'll hit myself with the crook of the elbow. Whew. Let's go with one for now. Okay. All right. All right, so usually amber is at the bottom, but you'll usually get amber right away, and I do. But I'm getting a good amount of spices here. A little smoky, which would be the incense. I'm getting some florals as well. I think it was a jasmine in here. I'm almost getting a kind of a yellow floral touch, but I don't think there's ylang ylang in this. But I'm getting cumin in this. I'm getting a little cumin funk. That little BO funk. But it's slowly going away. Cause it was a little pissy actually. I did not expect that at all. I'm really surprised because I've never heard anybody speak about, you know, any, you know, cumin or animalic touches, spices, smoky, little incense, florals. And what I like about this amber is that ambers can be very, very goopy. You know, you can kind of just see like the goopiness dripping with certain ambers, and especially when there's nothing underneath it to, you know, to hold it up. But then again, this is the top, so it could get a little bit sweeter and possibly more goopier towards the dry down. But I like this. I'm getting a lot of spices, coriander. It's getting like a kind of like a medicinal clove. Well, no, well, the warm spiciness. There's definitely some cinnamon in here. Might have got maybe a little lemon citrus at the top because it was kind of bright. You know, when ambers can be very thick and you have a hard time seeing through them, you know, it's very foggy. But this one, very light fog, you know, you can still see through it. A lot of spices, man. I'm getting a little touches of kind of ombre nuit, But there, the amber, I feel like there's no labdanum in there, because usually the labdanum will give the amber a note or accord this leathery tone to it. That one, I feel like the labdanum was replaced with ambergris or ambroxan in Ombre Nuit. But in this case, it could be some of the labdanum in here, the typical amber, accord, benzoin, vanilla labdanum, which could be giving a little leathery touches, which I do sense here. Leathery, smoky touches on top with the incense as well. Maybe a little rose, possibly. I remember seeing the notes, but this was some time ago, so this is all fresh. And I remember Sebastian doing a video, and he's comparing Ombre Sultan, Mitzah, and Absolute Pour Le Soir. And I actually gonna do another video. I procured a bottle of Absolute Pour Le Soir, another unicorn on my list that I'm able to check off. And that one, it's cumin bomb, and which is so I don't think there's civet in that one, possibly, but I think the cumin is what's giving the animalic touches to Absolute Pour Le Soir, and there's a shit ton of it in there, and I'm getting similarities from that in this. And like Ombre Sultan, which I do have and enjoy as well, I also procured an older bottle with a little label on it. And there is a difference between the newer Ombre Sultan and the older one and the new one. It's thicker, it's richer, the older one. And with that one, it goes more into fresh, spicy. This one goes into more of a warm spiciness. And then the Absolute Pour Le Soir goes into the ylang ylang. I think there's a white floral and cumin bomb pissiness from that one. So that's some of the differences I'm sensing here. Yeah, and it's changed. Okay, so so it's almost the first change was subtle, but this time it's the biggest change here I'm getting. Fuck, man. Shit is good. Alright. So, hope you enjoyed that. Look at this thing. Wow. Unbelievable. So, I got another one, Paris exclusive, and realistically the only one that I'd really want, I mean, I could have got Granville, which is kind of like a piney fragrance, and I don't really need to have that one. If I found it at a at a good price and 125 ml, I'd get it, but I don't really care. The only one I really want, older one from this line, is vetiver. And a lot of people say it's a basic vetiver scent, but then again, it is a vetiver fragrance, and I think there's a coffee note in there. Ugh. I don't know what they're thinking moving it to only Paris, but it is what it is. Alright, I hope you all enjoyed that. I hope you got something from this. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Peace.